Hi there, in this video we're going to look at getting started with an eBay store, what it looks like, why you should, and what you can do to make it easier for you to get started, get cracking and to scale your business. Now I know many of you use eBay as secondary to places like Amazon that certainly gets more traffic, but they're very different buyers on eBay and Amazon. So there's very good reasons for using both, and you can actually scale it and get to the point where it's doing exceptional business as well. And it's going to be all about putting brand you out there. So who are your customers going to see? Why are they going to keep coming back to you? And how can you make it easier for them to buy from you? So let's just scoot over and see what eBay looks like. Now, many of you are probably used to it for buying things on here. It is slightly different, and if you are going to be buying to sell, you're going to need a business account to do exactly that. So what does a business account look like? Well, a business account is for any of you who is planning on selling quite a bit. So they do want you to have a proper business account. If you're just selling a few bits and pieces of stuff you don't need anymore, then obviously a private account is going to be better for you. And you will get a certain amount of free listings, especially for clothing now with no fees. However, if it's for items you've made or bought to resell, or if it's for another business, you're going to need to register as a business account. So you can see here on Create a Business Account, it's relatively simple. They're going to ask for some additional information, your business name, your type and your address, and it's relatively straightforward to get started. So they do have policies and you're going to need to go and have a mooch through them. I'll see if I can get the link underneath this video for this page so you can see where everything is. Now you're going to have different subscriptions. We are going to click through on this and I'm going to show you what they are, because an eBay shop gives you so much more. You can actually get different levels and different shop fronts that give you different things. So you can start at the very basics and you can see what that's going to give you and how you can grow your business. So the three different types of shop are going to show you the fees. So let's just switch over, because obviously you're going to need to know what fees are to make sure that it's going to be beneficial for your business, because the shop itself will have a subscription fee, but it also has benefits. It has different types of business, different types of listing from the one you're probably used to, which is the auction site, to the buy it now ones as well. Now you will also get a whole raft of different things to promote your business, from email campaigns to promoted listings to promoted storefronts. And you'll also get a voucher each month for eBay branded packaging if you're with a featured or an anchor store. So that's levels 2 and 3. So there's quite a few different things going on here, and you might want to see what the differences are. When you don't have a store, you're going to pay as you sell. There are additional fixed price listings, which are 30 pence per listing, and additional auction style listings, again 30 pence per listing. You will get a seller hub. You will be able to promote your listings, but you won't have a storefront or seller hub promotions. You also won't have a link to your eBay shop for all of your listings and will not be eligible for daily deals, European sales, the API for comparative pricing, Terapeak sourcing insights, which is where you can get some great insights into what sells at what price, and even more importantly, who's been selling it, so you can keep an eye on the competition. You will get standard customer service, you won't get a packaging voucher, and you won't be able to list in the other countries. But there are benefits to starting it just from scratch and testing the water. However, your basic monthly price for the store is £27, and you're going to get a monthly subscription value of around £105, which gives you Terapeak, free fixed price listings, 250 of them, 7-day auction style listings, 100 of them, which you really should be using. Anything over and above that, they're saying it's 10 pence and 15 pence for fixed price and auction. Actually, for fixed price right now, I think you'll probably get that unlimited if you start showing them that you're doing exactly what you should be. You also get a seller hub. The seller hub promotions promote your listings, a shop front, a link to the shop front, and daily deals eligibility. So there's lots of things going on with that as well. And of course you get the sourcing insights, which are really great. Now, if you go up to the featured store, which means you're going to get much more and definitely more exposure to international without all the faff, you're going to get 1,500 free fixed price listings, 600 7-day auction listings. Any additional over that, they're giving you prices at 5 and 15 pence. However, we've got unlimited right now. And of course, all of the things that you had with the last one, as well as European Sales Booster. And you also get eBay packaging vouchers and free listings in 13 countries, which is really cool. Now, obviously, if you're a big anchor store with an awful lot of products, then at £437, it is an investment, but you also get a concierge who's going to help you from eBay, and you're going to get unlimited free listings, 1,000 7-day auctions, and you're going to get a whole heap more help from customer service with an eBay concierge, as well as £20 a month in packaging vouchers. But that's for those of you who are really going for it. Now, there's lots of different things in eBay. It is actually easier to get hold of a human being should you have some issues. However, it's a very different platform and it works very differently. So hopefully you will think that it's somewhere you want to test the water with, and this will give you a hand to get started.